3 reasons why your business is not growing. So number 1, you don't have strong brand identity. So if your business always provide consistent certified customer experience, so client always come back to you, you don't do the consultation long enough to understand what actually client want and need and give them the best solution. Number 3, you don't care about your client enough. What I mean, you think about in the long term, not in the short term. For me, when I do hair for my client, I always think how, if they're not coming back to me in the next 3 months, how is their hair it look like? Think about that way, and I give them a lot of tour, whatever they need to maintain to make them feel good. They always trust and come back to me. Why it is important? Because if you don't understand your client, you don't give the solution, they will go somewhere else to solve the problem.